Hello everyone, it's Karina. For this video, I'm doing a project share of some Happy Mail. This is gonna be going out to ZARA in the UK. We decided to do a swap in October, but we pushed it back due to the holidays, and I'm so excited to finally be able to share everything that I made. I'm using the Willow Lane collection by Maggie Holmes. She said it's one of her favorites, so I really wanted to use that. I will link her information down below, so please subscribe to her channel and follow her on Instagram. She is the sweetest. I made her this paper shelf. I used Bambi Deer's tutorial. I will link that down below. So it was really easy to follow. So let me take everything out first, that way I can show you. Once I package everything up, I am gonna tie these up with some twine and maybe add some tape so they won't fall everywhere during shipping. So I included a bunch of handmade embellishments, and I'll show you in a little. So this is how the shelf turned out. I think it looks super cute. For the bottom shelf, I did a butterfly cluster, and I made this banner piece and stuck this ephemera right in the middle. I used some of these stickers, and I didn't do anything on the back, just kept it plain. So that's the little shelf. I decorated these little containers, and each of them have embellishments in them. And then in here, I included a bunch of my handmade crepe paper flowers. I included a few in there using different colored crepe paper in different sizes. And in here, I included some handmade banners, and these are so teeny tiny. I absolutely love them. I love making these, they're so fun. I also made her some rosettes. This one's my favorite one, and they are layered. I did some of these half rosettes, and I got this idea from With Love Brie. I'll also link her information below, and that's how these turned out. And I made some tickets, embellishments. Some of them have like a little tassel dangle on them. I did some stitching, added some pearls. Yeah, and so there's 4 tickets in here. I made her some of my butterfly embellishments that she can use for her crafts. And they are layered as well, and I did stitch them in the middle. I made some of these cute, and there's 2 of them in each bag. So there's these ones here, they're like little award ribbon embellishments. That's all I'm including in the shelf. I made this little tiny bag. And in here, I also included some tissue paper. I made these paper keychains. This one says, "Bright days ahead and love this life." And I thought they were so cute. I love making these. These are really fun. And this die is from Sizzix, I believe. I'm not sure. I made this box and I embellished it, and I'm using this really pretty fun paper. And inside here I included some trim, and this one is like some leaves, and I absolutely love this color. It's like a light pink. I feel like it would go well with this collection. I decorated this embellishment box, and inside I included a bunch of different fun wood veneers that I have in my stash. So I have these frames, some of these wood veneers, and then this has a bunch of random things in there, and then some hearts and stars. I made this tag flip book, and in here there's a bunch of there's more handmade embellishments that I thought she would enjoy. So this first tag, I made some handmade heart rosettes, and they're really small. I included some of these little banners. It just says love on them. I made some of these paper tassels, and then some fun bows. So these ones have different pattern paper. This one's the same pattern paper with pink twine in the middle, and then this one I did some sewing, as you can see, and I put it in here with this fun shred mix. I love this purple color. It goes well with the Willow collection. And to hold it together, I'm using this pink binder clip that I got from Etsy. I decorated this glassine bag using some of the cards and some florals, doilies, and this is the wrapping paper. And here I included some store-bought things. So there's like a stickers. I forgot what else I put in there, but that was fun. And I made her this little box, and inside I included a handmade memory dex card that I decorated and embellished, and it's really layered up. And then I included some that she can decorate her own. I backed it with some black cardstock, so there is 3 of them in there, and used some twine to hold it together. So I really hope she loves that. And then I included some of the shred. Just gonna put that back in there. And lastly, I made this. This is also a store-bought goodie. I just wrapped it in some of that wrapping paper, included this tag, and then added some butterflies. So that is everything that I made. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.